illustration and Photoshop and everything. That was not taught to us in a graduation. So I took a break. I did a training in the same, and then I did an internship in the same in Chandigarh itself, in a company called Scribbles. Then I worked there for a year, and I got to know that I was really interested in the marketing field and the designing field of the industry. And from there, then the COVID happened, and then I came back to Jalandhar. And after that,
Okay. Yeah, continue, Eva.
yeah, so then me and my mom, we used to make homemade scrubs for a very long time, like when I was a child. So when the COVID was happening, and then we started a small business, my mom and me, of making homemade body scrubs. And then I learned a bit of you about the entrepreneurship and the business aspect. And since I already, excuse me, since I already had an experience and internship in the same in social media marketing and designing the feed, the taking the brand to the online presence, and my brother was already into making websites and everything. So we put up ads during the COVID.
Okay, I'll stop you here and would like to know that you have gone for MFM course.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why should we select you in MFM?
Ma'am, I feel that I have an experience, since there are subjects that are related to marketing and marketing field basically, and entrepreneurship. And I think I have an experience, and I have learned quite a few things that I can incorporate in my the course also. So I feel I can do good, and I can provide a lot of my thoughts and my experiences in the same.
Okay. So what specialization would you like to go in MFM?
Marketing, ma'am. I'd like to go in marketing.
How many specialization there in MFM?
Ma'am, there are buying, there's merchandising, there's management, there's retailing section.
Specialization.
There are three deep specializations: marketing and retailing. There's entrepreneurship, and there's international business. I think.
Right. Okay, so Eva, if I give you a chance that you have not selected in MFM, but you can go for M Design. So would you like to take up?
Ma'am, yes, I will take it. Because since I was working, I was not, I was doing my own business with my own brother, taking the brands online, making their feeds and everything. But also alongside that, I joined a freelancing company where they gave me projects to work on, and then I did the projects. And that was related to the shoots, the fashion shoots. And then we had to create an aesthetic of the same, and then we had to make the feed out of it, from the post, the shoot pictures. So I feel many things
like Eva, so like you can go for designing masters also and in MFM also, right? If you are not selected in MFM, then you switch your interest to designing again.
Ma'am, at the end of the day, I will be going for my own business only.
Okay, so you think even after doing M Design, that serves your purpose of being an entrepreneurship?
Not completely. Obviously, I would have learned much better things in MFM, but yes,
What is the curriculum? How you compare the curriculum of what is there in MFM which are not in M Design curriculum?
The management aspect of it, I feel.
So don't you think M Design students know the management part?
Not as much as the MFM student, I feel.
Okay, sir, over to you. Thank you, Eva.
Hi, Eva. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm very good.
Okay, just I need to understand, just to give you a brief idea about your family.
My family, sir. Sir, I have two siblings. My brother, he's elder to me, and my sister, she's the youngest. She's in Canada right now. And my brother runs his own company of digital marketing. My father is a businessman. He has a factory of plastics. He works in plastics, and my mother is a homemaker.
Okay, great. So why in Punjab most of the people they want to prefer like they want to go to Canada? What's the reason?
So this it's not just in Punjab. I mean, many of my friends who are living outside Punjab are also running towards Canada. I feel there's a discrimination about the work they do. They know that their work will be valued there as compared
Okay.
to India.
So what's your planning? Again, moving to Canada or you want to stay in India?
No, sir, I want to stay in India.
So like it's great, you want to support your family business and all. So, but actually what you, unless or until you don't learn from industry, you cannot support. So which company you want to work after pursuing your MFM? Any planning, which kind of industry you want to work?
Sir, I want to work in the marketing field basically.
Yes,
So,
marketing field.
yes, sir.
What do you understand by marketing in India?
So, taking your brand or your product to mass audience in front of them and promoting them, the market research, the advertisements, that I feel is marketing.
You have worked as a graphic designer also. Like what kind of tools that you know? What kind of software you know?
Sir, I know Illustrator,
Hmm.
Photoshop, Wondershare, Filmora, and I also work
Okay.
in Canva.
Okay. Eva, so like multiple things. You did your designing course also. So did you work after that, or you supported your family business?
No, sir, I did work after that. After my graduation, I learned the softwares and then I did an
Hmm.
internship in the same. And after that, I started my own venture with my brother where we took up projects and I did the social media and the designing and the website designing of it. And my brother was into coding and building the website. So I did
Uh,
work in.
okay, okay. So what do you know about like what do you like most about Jalandhar and Jalandhar? Yes. What do you like most about the city?
Sir, I have lived in two cities around my life, Chandigarh
Hmm.
and Jalandhar. The
Hmm.
living condition in Chandigarh is definitely better than Jalandhar, but since it's my hometown, I have many connections to it. My family is
What what makes you feel better in any city? Like as you said, now it's better. Chandigarh is.
um, sir, I live in the area where it's surrounded by houses. Like there's no garden around, there's no
Hmm.
tree, there's not a single tree around my house. So when I used to live in a PG or in the hostel in Chandigarh, whenever you feel a little stressed, you step out and there's greenery all around. There's
Okay.
little difference of oxygen meter there.
If I talk about this like Punjab, then how do you find like in Punjab, like what kind of textile and which city has the maximum industry in this in Punjab? I'm talking about.
Ludhiana, sir. I think Ludhiana
Okay.
is
Hmm.
very much into business. I mean,
Hmm.
Punjab is a state which is not developed as compared to other states, and I think this is the
Hmm.
opportunity for us to work here to introduce people to so many things. And they are into taking the opportunity. Yes, you give us the ideas. We are into it.
Suppose you get a call from like US or any other company, you have to be here in US for 3 or 4 years. Any company, MNC, they just give you have to work there. Then how comfortable you are?
So I think I will go for it.
And then what about your family business? And what about your commitment to be in India?
That is not the commitment. That is what I just chose over going to Canada.
Okay, great. Eva, like what makes you happy? Because what makes you happy in life?
So I have been an active animal volunteer for a very long time now, and even when I was in Chandigarh, I have volunteered at a shelter called SPCA, that stands for Shelter for the Protection of Cruelty to Animals,
Mm.
and I have given 4 to 5 years continuous to that shelter, and even now I used to run. Even during the lockdown, I have vaccinated so many dogs and animals around. So animals are something that makes me happy.
Okay, that's really great. That is all from my side. I'd like to give a quick feedback, Eva. So what, like when
Yes.
you're talking with, when you had a conversation with Purva ma'am, so few things I'd like to say that something which is good about you, that is you have a very good smile on your face, that you really loved it. I really liked it. So that is a very good sign, that shows, that reflects your confident girl. So first thing, which is very good. Second thing, you are making yourself very comfortable. I didn't find you throughout interview that you are not making yourself comfortable. So these are a very good sign when you are into interview, because most of the candidate that misses these kind of skills. So which is required much. Sometimes keeping a smile on your face, or sometimes being confident, that solve many problems. Yes. So these are the good thing. Now I'll come to some thing that you need to work on. First thing, which is very important, you always have to clear with your ideas. That I found that is missing. Fine. First thing, it may be because of your age, or it may be that you are not exposed to this industry much. It is all about the way you work. It may be that you are more protected. So that comes with many things. It is not all about, it depends on the individual life. So for you, your ideas are not clear, because when she was asking about that if I offer you MDes course and all, then you said, I'll be okay with that, because ultimately I have to work with my family. See, you have to work, but what kind of skills that you have, what kind of career you have opted, you never have to compromise with that. That you say, sir, ma'am, I'll not go with it. First thing, they will not offer you any course. You would offer you only MFM course only, because you have applied for it and you have taken exam for that only. So they are not going to offer you MDes course. So why to just create some weak point for yourself? You say, I'll not go for MDes because I have opted MFM. I am more into marketing kind of thing. So I'll not get into this. You are very clear with this. And when I ask you, you want to go, you want to work in India, you want to go, then I said, if any MNC, they are giving you an opportunity to work in US, then you said yes there. Fine. So I think that's a problem. And be to the point what you say. Never mix your ideas. Fine. And again, asking about your family, it is not all about knowing themselves, what they are doing. It is all about the way you are connected with them. The the way what kind of values that you have inherited from them. Fine. What kind of social responsibility you have learned from them. So these the qualities and the values you have to talk about. Fine. Then meanwhile you can also talk about what they are working. Never say homemaker or something. You always say, yeah, my, like whatever you feel like for your mother, start with that only. Then you can say that she's taking care of our family, and whatever you say, just try to work on this your words, because words can convey a lot of things. And when they are talking about your family, then you have to speak from your heart, not, you don't have to be very logical. So that, and be knowledgeable, read a lot. Do not get confused about anything subject. Why MFM? Then you go through what are the specialization NFT is offering. Why NIFT? Then what are the best thing about NIFT? Just truly you have to go through each and every thing. Otherwise, ideas will never get clear. Fine. But yes, you have potential, but you need to work on these things. That's what I said. All the best, Eva. Now Purva ma'am will give you feedback. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Eva, how was your interview?
Ma'am, I did. I know I did a wrong thing when I said, okay, I can go for InDesign over MFM.
And how is comparison to your last interview you have given last time, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is not your first time, right? How was in comparison to that?
So no, ma'am, this I did give my NEFT last year also, but this is my first mock PI.
Okay. Okay. So, Eva, have you filled the form for the other colleges or only the NIFT?
Only NIFT, ma'am.
Only NIFT. Okay. So, good thing about you that you have a very pleasant personality, very good smile. So, and now you have to take advantage of this in the interview, right? Because you have really good smile and very pleasant personality. Okay. Now, when I asked about your introduction, that was having a, like, I can say it was not synchronized. This was not organized, right? It was not coming from your heart. I can say that. It is like you're telling me the stories in there. That's why I stopped you in between only, because it was very lengthy and very story kind of introduction. So the panelists won't have so much time to listen it, right? So quickly highlight what best thing you want to show in you, right? Maybe you can start with your name, going to your education or your experience, whatever you want to highlight to us, right? Now, there are certain things, see, it's good you're comfortable in the interview, but there is a very thin line when you just cross to the comfort level to the casual level. So somewhere you cross that line, which I felt you become very casual in some of the answers of yours. For example, when you say why people migrated to Canada and all, then it was like because they don't value work in India. This is not actually the right thing, right? They don't value work in it, because I know many of my friends who gone for Canada, but it's not this thing that they're not valued in the work right here. They also might need to know about the experience outside the India. They might come back as well, so this thing need to be clear. So I found very much of the time the confusion was there, ye bolu ya ye bolu. So you're debating in your mind what to say. There are two thoughts which are coming at the same time. Okay. So avoid such things, right? When you are knowing why you want to go MFM, right? You have done B design or BSc in fashion. You have the knowledge, you have done graphic. So be sure why I want to go MFM. So after that, if I would have once a thought to M design, so I would have gone for M design. No? So for that, read the curriculum, read the brochure throughout. For MFM, M design, curriculum, you should know. If something I don't want to select, why I don't want to select it. Maybe the things which has been going to be taught, you already know it. Maybe through your experience, maybe through your knowledge. So that was the thing. Why should I select you was one of the questions which I asked. Again, the answer was very generalized. I have not got, that strong kind of, the zeal that why I want to come to NIFT. So that zeal was missing somewhere. When sir was asked about the city, Chandigarh to Jalandhar, there I found a very casual answer. So you only wanted to have the oxygen level. That's it. That's how the city being compared. So definitely was where it was very casual. So you need to add certain things about the Chandigarh, what was there, and what was in Jalandhar. Jalandhar definitely is going to be very close to your heart because it's your hometown. So you can put in that way as well, And when you say it's not developed or anything, in what perspective? So Punjab is not developed in what perspective? In what perspective you're talking it's not developed? But when you're saying it's not, because see, if I talk about Bihar, okay, so it is not developed. Maybe in education level they are far behind of the literacy. So in what? Because Punjab is very rich with the agriculture. They are very good with their farmers. Maybe in some of the places farmers are doing suicides, but Punjab are very, very much inherited and very much rich in their agriculture. So when you're making certain sentence, give the factual thing to support that, right? Maybe you can say Punjab is very open to the business, so you can highlight those things as well. So when you say that there was a contradiction of thoughts, which was again reflecting in your, throughout the interview. first came as M Design, MFM. Then there was India and US things came. So when you said that, okay, you're committed to your family, and when you get opportunity to go US, okay, you choose to go US, then how in that condition would you support to your family, which you have done the commitment? Right? Maybe you're working as a graphic designer. So would you like to do support from US as well with that? So that was something. Only one line statement won't going to work. And Iva, so work on these points. This is it from my side. All the best. Hope to see you next time.
Thank you, Eva. I hope you work on the points the panelists have highlighted. So we'll get in touch with you with the next mock PI. Till then, you can leave the meeting. All the best.
Thank you.
All
ma'am.
the best, Eva. All the best, and all the best for PI.